There is something you guys need to see. It's failed, but it's floating. Literally over here. Alright, it is finished, but not in the way that I imagined. Because legs detached. And we lost one. Other two dysfunctional. So I need to reprint this one. Oh my god, this is awful. Scary. I don't like this. And it has a little secret too. This time we are done and small. I think it's going to work. It immediately moves the legs when it sees you. Yay! Small spider. This is the mommy spider, but I need to remake the legs on this one. Yay!